Welcome to our channel, your daily source for top-notch product insights. We know that finding the perfect Mac keyboard can be a game changer for your daily tasks. So, get ready, as we embark on a journey to explore the best keyboards for Mac users. Whether you're a professional or just want to enhance your typing experience, we've got you covered. And if you're as passionate about technology as we are, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and join us on our social media platforms for the latest updates. Let's dive into the world of Mac keyboards and help you find the ideal one for your needs. Number 1. Logitech MX Keys for Mac. The Logitech MX Keys is both comfortable to use and has that polished Apple look. The ambient light sensor means it enables the backlighting when you need it, thus saving battery life. It's a full-size keyboard, so you also get a number pad. And best of all, for productivity, you can remap the F-row keys, and other keys too, to better suit your workflow. With its sleek design and pale gray finish, it's a stylish addition to any setup. But the features don't stop there. This keyboard boasts convenient backlighting, ensuring you can type effortlessly in any lighting conditions. Compatibility is a breeze, as it works seamlessly with Windows PCs, Linux, Chrome, and Mac. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing batteries, as this keyboard features a rechargeable battery with a USB-C connection. Plus, as an added bonus, this product comes with a complimentary Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, unlocking a world of creative possibilities. Number 2. Logitech Craft Keyboard. Much like the MX Keys, the Logitech MX Craft is a full-size keyboard in an Apple-style finish. It features a clever, customizable control wheel. This wheel performs different tasks depending on the app you're using. Turn it in Photoshop and you can adjust brightness. In Illustrator it tweaks stroke weight, and in Microsoft Excel it can be used to instantly create charts. This keyboard not only offers backlit keys for precision typing in any environment but also features a unique creative input dial. With a dark gray and aluminum finish, it exudes a premium, modern aesthetic that complements your workspace. The standout feature of this keyboard is the creative input dial, which allows you to control various functions within your favorite creative software with ease. Whether you're adjusting brush sizes in Photoshop or zoom levels in Adobe Illustrator, the creative input dial streamlines your workflow. Plus, this product comes with a complimentary Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, granting you access to the entire suite of creative applications. Number 3. Logitech Ergo K860. Typing all day can lead to wrist pain if you're not set up correctly. The Logitech Ergo K860 is an ergonomic board that splits the left and right sides of the keyboard while raising its profile in the middle to help alleviate discomfort during long typing sessions. It also comes with a built-in wrist rest and a high-quality typing feel. This keyboard is not just a keyboard, it's a game changer for your ergonomic well-being. Designed with a split layout and a built-in wrist rest, it promotes a more natural and comfortable typing position, reducing strain on your wrists and forearms. The keyboard's keys are covered in a stain-resistant fabric, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. You can connect it to your devices via Bluetooth or USB, making it compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. Say goodbye to the discomfort of traditional keyboards and embrace a typing experience that's gentle on your hands and body. Number 4. Logitech K380. The Logitech K380 is a great pick for good looks at a very cheap price. The unique circular keys look great, and they're very comfortable thanks to a slight curve. It's very slim and lightweight at just 16 mm thick and 423 grams, perfect for smaller workspaces. The drawback is that it takes 2 AAA batteries. This dark gray keyboard is a true multitasker, compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, iPad, iPhone, and even Apple TV. What sets the K380 apart is its ability to switch between up to 3 paired devices with ease. Whether you're working on your computer, responding to messages on your phone, or navigating your Apple TV, this keyboard simplifies your workflow. Plus, with Logitech's Flow cross-computer control, you can effortlessly transfer text, images, and files between your devices, further enhancing your productivity. Number 5. Logitech Signature K650. The Logitech K650 is full-size and includes wrist support for ultimate comfort. It connects via batteries or Bluetooth, and has a battery life of up to 36 months. The keys have a cushioned feel for a satisfying typing experience, and design-wise the curved corners of the keyboard are a great finish. It's also pretty affordable. With a sleek graphite design, This keyboard not only looks great on your desk but also offers an array of features to enhance your comfort and productivity. One standout feature is the deep cushioned keys, which provide a soft and satisfying typing feel. The integrated wrist rest ensures a comfortable typing position, reducing strain during long work sessions. You can connect this keyboard via BLE Bluetooth or low G-Bolt USB receiver, making it compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including PC, Windows, Mac, and more.